Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss our first chapter of class 10. The name of the chapter is life process. So from this chapter all of you will get to know that the first thing, what is the basic criteria of living beings. The second thing is the what is the basic things of the nutrition, and the third is the different types of the system in our body for our different kinds of the metabolic activity. So today we are going to discuss the first thing, that the criteria of our living beings, okay, and the different kinds of the nutrition in our body. So let's start today's things. Okay, the first thing is the life process. So first you should know what is the basic definition of life process, what is the basic things of the life process. So these living beings, actually in our environment there are two types of things are there. The first one is the biotic things, second one is the abiotic things. The first one is the biotic component and the second one is the abiotic component. So the biotic things means the living beings and abiotic means the non-living beings. So non-living beings means the they don't have life. Non-living means the they don't have life, but the biotic things means the they have life. Biotic things means they have life or the living beings. Okay, so these living beings, this biotic component has different kinds of the features, like the different shape and size. The second one is the growth, third one is the reproduction, fourth one is the metabolism, fifth one is the definite growth, sixth one is the cellular structure. So this is the basic things of the living things. This is the basic things of the criteria of the living beings. The first one is the shape and size, second one is the growth, third one is the reproduction, fourth one is the metabolism, fifth one is the definite growth, and the next one is the last one is the cellular structure. Okay, so this is the basic things of the living beings. So we have to attempt each and every criteria for the living things. The first one is the like the shape and size. Okay, so we have the special definite shape, we have definite size, we have definite growth, we have the different kinds of the metabolic activity, we have the reproduction strategy, because without reproduction the life would be stuck at a certain point or a certain thing. Next one is the we have definite growth and we have the cellular structure. Okay, so you can say in this way that what is the basic definition of life process. The basic definition of life process, that this is performed by the living beings. This is performed by the living beings to sustain themselves is called the life process. So you can say in this way, this is the basic functions performed by the living beings. This is the basic function performed by the living beings to sustain themselves is called the life process. Okay, so this is the basic criteria of the life process. Next thing is the nutrition. So what is the basic things of the nutrition? So the nutrition means the basic things by which we are getting energy. The nutrition means the basic things by which we are getting energy. That's called the nutrition. So there are several types of nutrition present in our body. There are several types of nutrition present in our environment also. So what is the basic things of the nutrition? So living organism exhibit the different kinds of the many activities, like the first one is the nutrition, second one is the transport, of material, the third one is the respiration, The fourth one is the blood circulation. Fifth one is the excretion. And the next last one is the reproduction. So already we have discussed all those things. So this is the basic types of the nutrition. This is the basic types of the nutrition. That the first one is the transport of material. Second one is the respiration. Third one is the blood circulation. Fourth one is the excretion. And the last one is the reproduction. Okay. So normally there are two types of nutrition present in our environment. The first one is the plant nutrition and second one is the animals nutrition. Okay, the first one is the plant nutrition, second one is the animal nutrition. So what is the meaning of the plant nutrition? The plant nutrition, also called the autotrophic nutrition, and the animal nutrition, also called the heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, so first thing you have to know what is the basic definition of the autotrophic nutrition and what is the basic nutrition of the heterotrophic nutrition. So already we have discussed in our class that the autotrophic nutrition means the auto means the self. So which nutrition is taking place by their own self. It means the plants are making their own food. So you can write in this way that the autotrophic nutrition means the auto means the self. Auto means the self. So who can make their own food. So it means they are getting their own nutrition by their own self. So that's called the autotrophic nutrition. And heterotrophic nutrition means the here heterotrophic nutrition means the dependent on the others. So who cannot make their own food, we are dependent on the plant's body. So that's why you can say in this way that the heterotrophic means the nutrition means the dependent on others. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the plant nutrition and the animal nutrition. This is the basic difference between the plant nutrition and the animal nutrition. The plant nutrition means the autotrophic nutrition and the animal nutrition means the heterotrophic nutrition. Okay. So what is the basic definition of the nutrition? Basic definition of nutrition means that the intake of food together followed by its utilization. It doesn't mean that we are taking food but we are not getting the energy, we are not getting our sufficient nutrition. So that doesn't mean that we are making nutrition or we are getting nutrition. Okay. So the normal thing, the intake of food together followed by its utilization is called the nutrition. So I am repeating again, the intake of food together followed by its utilization is called the nutrition. So this is the basic things of the nutrition. So there are two types of nutrition are there, autotrophic nutrition and the heterotrophic nutrition. Okay. So plants are making their own food. Plants are making their own food by the photosynthesis process. Plants are making their own food by the photosynthesis process and animals are making their food with the dependency on the plant's body. So that's why there are two types of nutrition. The first one is the autotrophic nutrition and the second one is the heterotrophic nutrition. So from this portion, what we came to know, the first thing is the what is the basic criteria of the living beings. What is the basic criteria of the living beings? The second one is the what is the basic fundamental features of the living beings. What is the basic fundamental features of the living beings? The third one is the how many types of nutrition are there with their definition. How many types of nutrition are there with their definition. So this is the basic things that we came to know in today's class. In our next class, we will get to know the difference between the autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition and the different types of autotrophic and the heterotrophic nutrition. Clear? Okay. So no more today. That's all. So next class we will discuss all those things. Okay. Thank you. Bye.